Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to help you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to share a phrase that I picked up long ago, which I feel is very powerful, and I'm excited about sharing it with you. And the phrase is, words are noises, but vibrations are reality. Words are noises, vibrations are reality. Excuse me for the throat, I have a bad throat, but still I decided to go ahead with this video. Whenever we communicate, we use words. And we send out some words to another person, but we don't realize that the words that we send out are also going with some vibrations. Now, these vibrations can be good vibrations, or these vibrations can be bad vibrations. So if you send out certain words, but if it is, not congruent with the right kind of vibrations, then the message received by the receiver will not depend on the words, but it will depend on the vibrations received by the receiver. You get it? Let's take an example. Let's take, I tell somebody, I like you. But there is nothing wrong with the words. But I actually hate this guy, okay? And I'm telling that person, I like you. Now, the words may go to that person, but the vibration that person gets is, I hate you. The words may be okay, but the vibration is the real message that is received by the receiver. Now, how do you send the right words and the right messages? Well, if you want to send words which are right and the vibrations which are right, then you need to have good intentions. It's only when you have good intentions for the receiver, your vibrations are going to be perfect. So whenever you communicate with people, make sure that your intention is good. If your intention is bad, the vibration received by the receiver will automatically be bad, and they will not really believe in the words that you are saying. So whenever you communicate, make sure that you keep this point in mind, and you will never go wrong in the words and the vibrations. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, and comment on it. And most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.